Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video, we are going to be doing a eye look, purple of course. I think we've probably done this look before, but we're going to do it again because we're stuck in the house and I am wearing a purple shirt, so we're going to do a purple eye look. I just put these lashes on, which you guys will have seen me put on last Friday. And so that this is our first experiment into putting makeup on with the lashes already on. I mean, I've done it. I think I've done it before. I'm sure I've done it before because I've had lash extensions before. So anyways, that's what we're going to do. And we're going to be using the one and done, except that we're going to go a little further than one and done. Because I'm going to be using this Maybelline Color Tattoo. And it's, what color is this? Called Knockout, and it's the purple one because I'm wearing a purple shirt. So we're going to be using this. We're going to be using, what did I do with it? I don't know. I had them out. Oh, here it is. It's a Milani product. This is the Hypnotic Lights from Milani, and this color is, I can't see it. 03 Beaming Light, and it's got kind of a purple tint because I've also got this one here, and it's got kind of a purple to it, but it's lots more. It's more holographic, like white. Because you see the difference. Can you see the difference? This one's purple. Oh, this one's purplier. So I think we're gonna use the purplier one today. So let's get started. We're going to start off with our Essence Eye Base because I feel like this helps, especially cream shadows, to not crease as much. And I'm going to spread that with my sponge. Okay, so now we are going to go in with this for our one and done, but we're not going to be done with one. Basically, I'm going to do the same thing as a one and done. Whew. Got a cat hair in my nose. And I'm going to be using this is my, what is this? This is a Sigma brush. Oh, there it is, E55. And I'm just going to get a bunch on one side of my brush and pack it on my lid. And I think I'm not going to go quite all the way in because I want to put that sparkly stuff on the inner corner. So then I'm going to take and pull that up. And you just want to keep pulling it up and blending it out. It's a little harder to do the one and done with these darker colors, but it's not impossible. And then you just keep blending till you get it where you want it. Now, let's take a fluffy brush. Get rid of these few little flakes we got going on. And then we'll do the other eye. Now we're going to go in with our little bit of this. So I'm just going to take it, I'm just going to dab a little bit right here on both sides. See, just a tiny bit. And I'm gonna take my little pencil brush and pull it up. And over. It's so pretty, except that it's on my lash now. Oh, I didn't get enough on this. Either that or it's drying too fast. But I feel like I didn't get enough on this eye. So pretty though. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more now that I know how incredibly gorgeous it is. And I'm just going to keep blending that into the other purple and then putting a little bit inside this corner here. And we can just be like a purple fairy. A home fairy, because we have to stay home. Okay, I like it. So now we're gonna go in with liner. And we're gonna use liquid liner. We haven't done this in a long time too. I don't know which one of these is gonna be the best. I really liked this one, but I'm pretty sure it's empty. That one was the Wander Beauty one. I did really like this one, but last time I used it, it seems like it stopped working. So we're gonna use this. This is the Benefit roller one. And hopefully I can still do this. Yeah, I don't like that. Okay, this is the hard part with lash extensions. Trying to get a wing. But I think I can do it. All right, that's as good as it's gonna get for our winged liner today. Pretty sure I need to practice that a little bit more. So, all we have left now is to put mascara on our bottom lash and do my brows. We definitely need to, oh, and lips. So I'm gonna use this IT Cosmetics, what is this called? Tightline mascara on the bottom lashes, because it just is such a fine little brush. I love it. And I am going to put just a little bit of mascara on these lashes because I don't like the fact that my lashes were not colored before I put these on, because you're supposed to put it on clean lashes, and my lashes aren't black. I mean, they're kind of black, but not black enough. So I am just going to put a little bit of this mascara on these extensions. Much better. Okay. All we have left is brows and lips, and we're done. So let's just go ahead and throw all this stuff over here. I just really like this little sparkle stuff. It's so pretty. I mean, I don't use it very often. I don't know if you guys can see. I feel like it's too far away. Anyways, I'm just gonna go like this so you guys can see how pretty it is. Maybe if I scoot up more. I feel like my camera got moved up, so I'm gonna have to move it back down. Anyway, let's put my brows on. I'm just gonna use this new brow product I had. Oh, it's right here. This is a Wet n Wild one, and it is Wet n Wild. It is Wet n Wild, isn't it? Yep, Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil crayon, and the color I got is ash brown. And it has a little spoolie on the end, which is good. Okay, so, never mind. So, let's just check this baby out. We're just going to do messy brows. It's kind of like a messy bun, only brows. Well, I like it pretty good. I mean, it's working so far. I like it so far. If it's gone in an hour, I won't like that. Well, actually, I won't care because I'm not going anywhere. It's fine. And I don't know how much it was, probably like $3. Maybe $5. So, this is it. Well, wait, let's put on some lipstick. It's purple. E. Okay, it's kind of pinky purple. this is Makeup Forever. This is old. Oh man. Artist Rouge Cream, Rogue Cream. I was looking for the color, but all I see is a number. And this was like a freebie for a birthday thing, so I don't know what color it is. It says, well, I don't know what it says. But I know I've used it before, so it should have a color. Maybe Rogue Cream is the... No, I don't think so. C211. That's the only thing that it says. So, anyways, sorry, I used a lipstick that you probably can't get. Okay, so this is our look for today of the Purple Fairy eyes. I only say that fairy because they have glitter in the middle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!